Today we will continue problem based on trigonometric substitution. The question is y equals to cot inverse. Y equals to cot inverse under root a minus x upon a plus x. We have to find dy by dx. So this is the form a minus x and a plus x. So in this form we substitute, put x equals to a cos 2 theta. Here is the constant term a. Therefore, the substitution of x will be a cos 2 theta. So put the value of x, y equals to cot inverse under root of a minus a cos 2 theta upon a plus a cos 2 theta. So cot inverse from these two terms, a is taken common. So 1 minus cos 2 theta, and from the denominator again a is common, we get 1 plus cos 2 theta. A and a gets cancelled. Cot inverse. The formula for 1 minus cos 2 theta is 2 sin square theta. And the formula for 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So it comes cot inverse under root of, this may be written as sin theta upon cos theta, the whole square. So whole square and the square root gets cancelled. The square and the square root gets cancelled, and it comes y equals to cot inverse sin theta upon cos theta, and sin theta by cos theta, this becomes tan theta. But we will have to convert this tan theta into cot theta. So we may write cot inverse cot pi by 2 minus theta. Tan theta is written as cot pi by 2 minus theta. Cot and cot inverse gets cancelled, and it comes pi by 2 minus theta. Now we will put the value of theta. So from here, x equals to a cos 2 theta. X equals to a cos 2 theta. And the value of cos 2 theta will come x by a. The value of cos 2 theta comes to be x by a. And the value of 2 theta becomes cos inverse x by a. And cos will go on right side. It becomes inverse. So cos inverse x by a. And theta comes to be 1 by 2 cos inverse x by a. So we will put the value of theta, pi by 2 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x by a. This is y. Now differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx. Differentiation of pi by 2 is 0 because pi by 2 is a constant term, and 1 by 2 and d by dx of cos inverse x by a. So this is minus 1 by 2, and differentiation of cos inverse x. This is minus 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. So at the place of x we have x by a. So it becomes x square by a square. Now remove cos inverse. Remove cos inverse and differentiate x by a. So 1 by a is constant and differentiation of x will be 1. So it comes 1 by a. So minus minus plus 1 by 2a under root of 1 upon under root of, taking LCM, a square minus x square upon a square, and this becomes 1 by 2 into, when we will write this in multiple form, so a square and a square root gets cancelled. It becomes a upon under root of a square minus x square. A and a gets cancelled, and the result comes to be 1 upon 2 a square minus x square. Dy by dx equals to 1 by 2 under root of a square minus x square. The next question, y equals to tan inverse, y equals to tan inverse under root of 1 plus x square, tan inverse under root of 1 plus x square minus under root of 1 minus x square upon under root of 1 plus x square plus under root of 1 minus x square. So this is the form 1 minus x square and 1 plus x square. So in this form we will substitute again, put x square equals to cos 2 theta. The whole x square, we substitute cos 2 theta. So this becomes y equals to tan inverse under root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus under root of 1 minus cos 2 theta upon under root of 1 plus cos 2 theta plus under root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now expand root 1 plus cos 2 theta. This becomes 2 cos square theta. This comes to be 2 sin square theta. Again this is 2 cos square theta and plus 2 sin square theta. So from numerator and denominator it gives root 2 cos theta minus root 2 sin theta upon root 2 cos theta and plus root 2 sin theta, because square and square root gets cancelled in numerator and denominator. So we get y equals to tan inverse, taking root 2 as common, so it gives cos theta minus sin theta, and denominator also taken, root 2 is common, so it gives cos theta and plus sin theta. From both the terms, root 2 and root 2 gets cancelled and it remains tan inverse cos theta minus sin theta upon cos theta and plus sin theta. Now divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. Divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. So we get y equals to tan inverse cos theta divided by cos theta. We get 1 sin theta divided by cos theta, tan theta, and this is 1 plus tan theta. And this is the common form. 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. This is written as tan of pi by 4 minus theta. When we will expand on the formula tan a minus b, we will get this result. So tan and tan inverse cancel, and y equals to pi by 4 minus theta. Now we have substituted x square equals to cos 2 theta. Then we will have to find the value of theta. So 2 theta will become equals to cos inverse x square. Cos 2 theta was x square, so 2 theta, cos will go on left side, it becomes inverse, and theta comes to be 1 by 2 cos inverse x square. So put the value of theta, this gives pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse and x square. Now differentiate with respect to x, so dy by dx, pi by 4 is constant term, its differentiation is 0, minus 1 by 2 differentiation of cos inverse x square, so minus 1 upon under root of what minus x square. X square means x square the whole square, which is x raised to the power 4, and remove cos inverse, differentiation of x square is 2x, so 2 and 2 cancelled, minus minus plus, and it gives x upon under root of 1 minus x raised to the power 4. So this is the dy by dx, x upon under root of 1 minus x raised to the power 4. This is one of the most important questions. Y equals to sine inverse. Y equals to sine inverse x under root 1 minus x under root 1 minus x minus under root x and under root 1 minus x square. And we have to find dy by dx. This is one of the most important questions. Many times this question is asked in board examination. So in this question we will put x equals to sine theta and under root x equals to sine phi. X equals to sine theta and root x equals to sine phi, and it will be written sine inverse x under root 1 minus x. This can be written as 1 minus root x the whole square. 1 minus x. So 1 as it is, and x can be written as root x the whole square minus root x and root 1 minus x square. So sine inverse, put x equals to sine theta and under root of 1 minus root x the whole square. So 1 minus the value of root x is sine phi, so it comes sine square phi minus root x. Root x is again sine phi and under root of 1 minus x square. The value of x is sine theta, so 1 minus sine square theta. So it gives sine inverse sine theta, and this is cos square phi, the square and the square root cancelled, and it comes cos phi minus 1 minus sine square theta. This becomes cos square theta, and the square root gets cancelled, so cos theta into sine phi. Now the formula becomes sine A into cos B minus cos A into sine B. So we use the formula sine A minus B means theta minus phi. So sine and sine inverse gets cancelled, and the result comes to be y equals to theta minus phi. Now we will put the value of theta and phi. So theta we will eliminate from here. So theta becomes sine inverse x. So y equals to sine inverse x minus phi comes to be sine inverse and under root of x. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation of y is dy by dx, differentiation of sine inverse x 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, and differentiation of sine inverse root x. So 1 upon under root of 1 minus root x the whole square. We remove sine inverse and the differentiation of root x is 1 by 2 root x. So it gives 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square minus 1 upon 2 root x and under root of 1 minus root x the whole square. It comes to be x. So this is the result. Dy by dx equals to 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. We can write in this way also, minus 1 upon 2. This both are in a square root. So in a single square root we can write, so root x into 1, x minus x into x, x square. So this is the differential coefficient dy by dx. Another question. This is another important question for board point of view. Y under root 1 minus, if y under root 1 minus x square, if y under root 1 minus x square plus x under root 1 minus y square, x under root 1 minus y square is equals to 1, then we have to prove that dy by dx, prove that dy by dx is equals to minus under root of 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square. So in this question we substitute x equals to sine theta, put x equals to sine theta and y equals to sine phi. So y, the value of y is written as sine phi under root of 1 minus x square. So x square, this is sine square theta, plus the value of x sine theta and under root of 1 minus y square, means sine square phi, and equals to 1. Solve this for sine phi. 1 minus sine square theta cos square theta, it gives cos theta, plus 1 minus sine square phi cos square phi, and it remains cos phi into sine theta equals to 1. This is the formula: sine A into cos B plus cos A into sine B, and this is equals to sine A plus B, phi plus theta equals to 1. And we know the value of 1, sine 90 degree, means sine pi by 2 is 1. So from both sides sine and sine gets cancelled, and it gives theta plus phi equals to pi by 2. We get theta plus phi equals to pi by 2. Now put the value of theta and phi. So theta becomes sine inverse x and phi becomes sine inverse y equals to pi by 2. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. So differentiation of sine inverse x, differentiation of sine inverse x, 1 by root 1 minus x square plus differentiation of sine inverse y. This is 1 upon under root of 1 minus y square, and differentiation of y with respect to x. This is dy by dx, and d by dx of pi by 2 constant term, it becomes 0. So 1 upon root 1 minus y square and dy by dx, this will go on right side, becomes minus 1 by root 1 minus x square, and dy by dx comes to be minus of under root 1 minus y square upon 1 minus x square. So this completes the solution. Under root of minus under root of 1 minus y square upon 1 plus x square. So this question and the previous question both are very important for board examination. Take another question. If y equals to tan inverse, if y equals to tan inverse under root x minus x, under root x minus x upon 1 plus x raised to the power 3 by 2. Tan inverse under root x minus x upon 1 plus x raised to the power 3 by 2. Then find dy by dx. We have given the expression y equals to tan inverse under root x minus x upon 1 plus x raised to the power 3 by 2, and we have to calculate dy by dx. So this is the form tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. The formula for tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equals to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus x into y. So this is the form tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus x into y. This can be written as tan inverse under root x minus x upon 1 plus under root x into x. Because root x means x raised to the power 3 by 2 and x raised to the power 1. It becomes x raised to the power 3 by 2. So this is the RHS, tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. So instead of this, we can write y equals to tan inverse under root x minus tan inverse x. Now we will differentiate with respect to x. So dy by dx equals to differentiation of tan inverse x 1 upon under root 1 minus x square, means root x the whole square, and remove the term tan inverse, differentiate root x. So differentiation of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, and differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x. So it gives 1 upon 2 root x, 1 upon 2 root x, and this becomes 1 minus root x the whole square x, and minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. So this is dy by dx. See another question. Y equals to cot inverse. Y equals to cot inverse under root 1 plus x square plus x. Y equals to cot inverse under root 1 plus x square plus x. So this is the form 1 plus x square, and here is cot inverse. So we will put x equals to cot theta. So y equals to cot inverse under root of 1 plus cot square theta and x means cot theta. So cot inverse root 1 plus cot square theta means cosec square theta and plus cot theta. Square and square root gets cancelled and we get cot inverse cosec theta and plus cot theta. Remove, write down the formula of cosec theta and cot theta. So cosec theta is written as 1 by sin theta and cot theta is written as cos theta by sin theta. So it becomes cot inverse. Taking LCM sin theta, we get 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. So y equals to cot inverse 1 plus cos theta upon sin theta. Now write down the formula of 1 plus cos theta and sin theta. So y equals to cot inverse. The formula for 1 plus cos theta. This is 2 cos square theta by 2 and 1 and sin theta. This is 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 2 cancelled, 1 times cos theta by 2 cancelled and it comes cot inverse cos theta by 2 upon sin theta by 2. This is cot theta by 2. Cot and cot inverse cancelled, so it gives y equals to theta by 2 and the value of theta is cot inverse x. So 1 by 2 cot inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x, so dy by dx equals to 1 by 2 and d by dx of cot inverse x. 1 by 2, differentiation of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon 1 plus x square. So this is dy by dx equals to minus 1 by 2 and 1 plus x square. Let us see one more question. If y equals to sine inverse sine inverse 1 upon under root of 1 minus x square. Sine inverse 1 upon under root 1 minus x square plus tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1. Root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. Y is given. Then prove that dy by dx. Prove dy by dx is equals to minus 1 upon 2. 1 plus x square. So this is the form 1 minus x square. 1 minus, this is 1 plus x square. So this is the form 1 plus x square. So we will put either x equals to tan theta or cot theta. So let us put x equals to tan of theta. So this becomes y equals to sine inverse 1 upon under root of 1 plus tan square theta and plus tan inverse under root of 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So we get y equals to sine inverse 1 upon 1 plus tan square theta, sec square theta, square and square would cancel and it comes sec theta plus tan inverse. 1 plus tan square theta, sec square theta, and it remains sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. So y equals to sine inverse. 1 by sec theta, it becomes cos theta plus tan inverse. Sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta minus 1 and tan theta is written as sin theta by cos theta. So sine inverse cos theta can be written as sine of pi by 2 minus theta, and this is tan inverse. Taking LCM, we get 1 minus cos theta by sin theta, and cos theta gets cancelled. So y equals to sine inverse and sine cancelled, pi by 2 minus theta plus tan inverse 1 minus cos theta. This is sine 2 sine square theta by 2, and sine theta is written as 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. So 2 and 2 cancels, 1 times sine theta by 2 cancel. So the result pi by 2 minus theta plus tan inverse sine theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2. It gives tan theta by 2. So pi by 2 minus theta plus tan and tan inverse cancel and it remains plus theta by 2. So pi by 2, theta by 2 minus theta, it gives minus theta by 2. Now put the value of theta. So pi by 2 minus 1 by 2, the value of theta comes to be tan inverse x. And differentiate dy by dx equals to pi by 2 constant term 0, 1 by 2 differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. So the result comes to be minus 1 by 2 and 1 plus x square. So this complete the questions based on trigonometric substitution. In next video we will discuss exercise 5.4 of NCERT.